Yeah, what I made a needle filter out of this tissue paper. So any uh, soft tissue paper, I want to try to for friends who never able to access to PLC needle filter. I want you use a tissue paper to try to see whether something a needle filter like that can help you alleviate the lack of resistance, can help you alleviate anything like you have dry nose, to see whether this needle will help your nose. So you have this tissue paper, you just fold it to a square, and then you just fold it to 3/4 this length. You get a tape. You take this tape and a tape on the edge right here, and I will do another tape on this edge too. You get this edge, make like a pocket like this, make it like a pocket, and then you flip it. Flip it like this, make a pocket right here, and outside like this. So on the top, you fold it back in. You fold it back in on the top. So you form a kind of structure like this. Next one, I will use a tape right here. I use a tape right here. So make a tape. Basically make a little bit pocket right here. Pocket. And then what you do is make a adhesive with this medical tape. That's what I show. You want to use this medical tape and fold it to and make a tube, make a tube. So adhesive is the face outside. You make a tube like that. Charlene, Daddy do a very important thing. You keep our out here. Don't mess with me, okay? Right here. Okay. So make a long adhesive right here. So from this pocket, you just apply this adhesive inside the edges. Inside these edges, make a circle round all over the place. Make a circle. And then that's the that's a final structure. You have a pocket right here. You have some adhesive right there. And now I try to take this one and put this one on. So you massage all this adhesive, so make sure it's fitting well. Now that should be a nasal filter for you. You can breathe in and breathe out. You see a very warm air coming out from your nose. It forms like a gentle layer come out. So this is a quick concept. Of course, we make a nasal filter much more better and prettier. But for some friends, you're not sure whether nasal filter will help you. You want to DIY for yourself, and what you need is a tissue paper and adhesive. And you can have many layer tissue paper to tailor the resistance of this nasal filter to see whether it's helpful for you, and to see whether it's really bring you a positive breathing experience, help you release the breathing syndrome about the nose, that'd be huge. And if the resistance to the flow can regulate really good, so you can stop feeling suffocation, that is huge. So I think that's a first step that you can try. Don't worry about the looking. Don't worry about the be perfect. I just want to get some feedback from you to see whether it's working. It's working positively. If you get that, we can make it much, much better. We can make it look better. We can make like a tailor that really, really fit to everything. That is a story. We just want to get a quick try, because I cannot send in my nasal filter to each one of you, and some of you really don't want to spend money or don't even trust that somebody try to rob your money. But that's the simple thing you can try. And if you have ENS, but the allergy bother you, that will be much more painful than a regular person. Any air pollution, I heard a friend that said it's much, much more painful than the regular person. And you can mix things like that. Give it a try. If this one working really good for you, and then you can reach out to say, I'm confidently I can buy some nasal filter. They really help for me. So
where's mommy?
Right there. And so I'm happy. I'm make this video, and I'm happy and to show this technique. You can use it. And so it's not about the money, but it's about the living. It's not about the money, but about like we protect each other. It's not about the looking, but it's about the health. It's about the well-being. We want to be living normal, breathing normal, and even beyond the normal. Because with this nasal filter all day, you're breathing the pure quality air all the time. So that's beyond any regular person they can breathe in. So we see, I really think this nasal filter will help a lot of people, especially for the ENS people. I write a text to one of the friends. She tried it. I really appreciate it. She said the first time I took her all my face mask away. She wear a mask all over her head. She take it away, and she can put a nasal filter, and people can recognize her face. I told her that let's try how the nasal filter can help you. So if the nasal filter work, that means for hours you will stop your nose dry. Your nose will not stop drying, and as soon as you wear that, and indoor, outdoor, anywhere, your nose will not dry. Okay, and for seconds you can feel the resistance to the airflow. If this resistance regularly right, for a second you can feel resistance. Okay, for seconds, if that work, you can feel your suffocation relieved, elevated, so you don't feel that much suffocation. That give you a good sign, and then you can tweak it. I can tweak it with you to help you and the breathing. So after your nose is not dry, you lost less moisture, your mouth is not dry, after you don't feel suffocation, and then this one will gradually take care of your sleeping issues, sleeping apnea, and it will regularly take care of your fatigue issue. It regularly take care of your any infections, excessive infection issues. So all of this is a second step. But the first step, I offer all what I have to you with no charges with this video, and I invite you just give a try to see this opportunity work for you. We may work for somebody, may don't work somebody, but we get some feedback, and we will start from there. I thank you. I wish you better. We'll never lose hope, and hope is the things that will give us a day passing by, right? We must have hope. And somebody who, if you live alone, or I just highly encourage you to reach out some church, reach out good churches, good like brothers, sisters, they believe in Christ Jesus, really care about you, really pray for you, and then we will get things better. You know, we never lost hope. At one moment, I was a depression. I just feel like hopeless. I cannot sleep. Every minute, 5 minutes, I will wake up. And I wake up with my sweating on the back. I just like a miserable. And thought about, die, thought about death a lot of negative thought. I think I cannot make it. But I prayed to the God. I said, Lord, give me one day of sleep. Give me one good day's sleep. I need a good day's sleep. But the Lord gave me hundreds, thousands sleep. So I think every one of the friends who have ENS, you can do the same prayer. Lord, God, give me one day's sleep. And to see whether the God is faithful to you and bring you more sleep for you. Yeah, I put it back. Thank you, friends. I just pour my heart to you, and I think nobody should deserve anything like that. But things happen, and we all just pray to the Lord and ask the Lord to help us. And I just sort of picture that we are a little children. My little daughter, she was cry, look at me. She cried, said, Daddy, I cannot breathe. I'm not well. I don't feel I'm living. And I will be painful. My heart will be painful. If I know how to do it, I will help her right away. I mean, dear friends, if we all pray to our Father in heaven, if we believe our Father in heaven loves us, believe our Father in heaven, He has a solution. He's capable. And I cannot imagine He will holding not help us. So thank you, our friends, and thank you for watching this video. And let's work together. I really appreciate it. You even give a try to see how this one help you with that. And then I can support you after that and do the best. I can send in sample, whatever, and to support. And we'll talk about the healthy breathing. Not only breathing healthy air, but also breathing healthy life, and make the normal life normal. Make the life impossible and make it normal. And it can be a simple device like that, because every day, 24/7, it will serve for you to regulate the air for you and control the temperature for you and regulate the moisture for you. It's just like every second, you breathe in 22,000 of breaths every day without you know it. But this one will stand there for you. I personally wear the nasal filter for 6 years. Since the beginning of the pandemic for right now. And I fully believe that this nasal filter will serve the public for some reason. This nasal filter will help somebody for some reason. So I'm never give up. I probably will wear this for all my life. It's okay. I don't have access to, infection in my nose. I don't get easy getting cold or getting flu. But, it's simple. Something good, it doesn't mean to be fancy. Something work, it doesn't mean to be very complicated. But it just we gotta try, use it, and practice that, and let it work for us. Thank you, friends. I hope that I can receiving from your feedback, and I may arrange a trip to California soon. I have a couple of friends. They will, from the ENS, they will go to California for treatment. And I talk with them. They are very happy if I can go. I don't know whether I can go financially, my work schedule, my family, and, I don't know. But we said we all pray to God to see God open door so that I can make the trip. I can drive my car, sleep in the car through that to save all the hotel. But it can be done. Just for a good reason. We fight for a good reason. Thank you, our friend.